Hey guys, hope you are doing well. And even if the crypto is dumping, as we saw this huge dump yesterday, but now today we have a green day. So my name is Mike Dankler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice. So everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, please follow us on Twitter and also join our Telegram. Uh, and let's get into it. So I'm just coming out from COVID-19. So that is why the video will be not so long because I cannot speak so long that my voice is going away and I don't want to add that. So guys, smash those like and push the bell notification on, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and let's share my screen. Let's go and check our favorite bubble charts, and you see almost all the altcoins are in green as link, but link also pumped during this huge dump, so link is going against the horde. And also we see Luna, Gala, ICPR with Cardano, waves up, Dash as well. And what about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is up 2.2%, traded about 42,000 US dollar, and Ethereum is up 3%, traded around 3,060. And you see we had huge loss in the past weeks, even past week, even if the first week in January in the past 4 years was tremendously profitable for Bitcoin, but now is down 10% in a week, and also down almost 12% in a month, but still up 20% in a year. So guys, as you see, we have huge losses, but Chainlink is up in a week 27%. And also Hex is up, but Hex is a controversy coin somewhere. Also ICP is up 32% in a week. Harmony also did a great job. So guys, let's go and check the fear and greed index. Yes, so you will be surprised. The index is at 23 in the extreme fear, but yesterday the index was as low as 10 in. So this was the lowest level since the summer dips. So 10 yesterday, that was extreme fear, and the index showed us 20. So this is huge. And guys, if we are looking on this chart that we see in the past 1 month, the index was several times in the extreme fear zone, now dipped at 10. Maybe will this be the bottoming out? Maybe yes, maybe not. During the summer dump, the index went down to 10 at least 4 and 5 times. So maybe we are not there yet, but getting closer to bottoming out. And as you know, when investors are so fearful that it's always a good buying opportunity, when investors are getting greedy, that's it's always due for a correction. And after Warren Buffett, then there is a saying that be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. So guys, if you were greedy yesterday, then congratulations for this 10-15% gains. But let's go into our next news, into our first news. Analyst says Bitcoin can bottom at 37,500 and route to 100,000 US dollar. I think BTC bottoms anywhere between now and 37,500 and gives us a similar structure to what we saw in 2019, just on a larger time scale, with a run to 100,000 US dollars still on the table for 2022, in my opinion. Who is this analyst? Popular analyst. Okay, but who is this analyst? Smart contractor. Smart contractor. Okay. So this happened, almost the same structure, but on a smaller time frame, and that was a huge run up in 2019. After 100,000 plus US dollar, then we get into 2018 style extended bear market territory. So I don't expect extended bear market, but maybe a shorter period of bear markets. Okay, so this is not a relevant news because that was a news few in December, but UAE was found Mubadala investing in crypto ecosystem. So just quite important news, but not for now. Will this time be different? Bitcoin eyes drop 35,000 US dollar as BTC price paints death cross. Guys, death cross are not always working out, but we had a death cross in July, and death cross is a lagging indicator, so the price still dropped, still started to bottoming out when we had a death cross. And after death cross, we have a golden cross. Death cross is when the 200-day moving average is crossing and going above the 50-day moving average, and now we are getting closer to death cross if we are observing the exponential moving average. Death cross history, that was a death cross in March 2020 in the corona dump, and also we had the death cross in July, as I already mentioned. And what else do we have here? Yes, so almost the same structure that we saw. Maybe it will not last so many times after this death cross to coming back, but we'll see. Death cross time this time looks dangerous. I don't know why, but find out here. Okay, guys, so this was the news about death cross. And the next piece of news is Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index and RSI suggest we are oversold. Time to buy the dip. That's the question. Okay, I will show you kind of charts on my Twitter feed. Key Bitcoin metrics to watch out. Liquid and illiquid supply. So this is the Bitcoin price, the gray, and we see the acceleration of illiquid supply. So the illiquid supply is increasing, and the reducing highly liquid supply. So the liquid supply is decreasing. So what does that mean for me? Then less and less Bitcoin are available on the exchanges. So people are moving it into illiquid supply. That means that they are looking up for a long term. They are storing on a Ledger Nano X, and definitely also you should order a Ledger Nano X. You will find the link in the description below. You will order from the manufacturer directly. So, but illiquid supply, that less and less Bitcoins on exchanges to sell. So this is quite important chart. So next piece of news is New York major getting paid in Bitcoin suggests buying the dip. Okay. He says that he tweets on Squamebox. Sometimes the best time to buy is when things go down, says New York major on Bitcoin. I'm going to take my first free paycheck in Bitcoin. I haven't received my first check yet.
Ask you this question because we are on CNBC. You said before you became mayor that you were going to take your first 3 paychecks, if I remember, in Bitcoin. Have you taken them in Bitcoin? Have you gotten a check? Have you gotten a payment in Bitcoin yet? And by the way, Bitcoin's come down, unfortunately for you, if you have.
Well, you know what? Sometimes the best time to buy is when things come down. So when they go back up, you made a good profit. Let's be clear on this. I know it's hard to believe because of the way we are getting stuff done. GSD, our motto, but it has only been just a couple of days since we've been in office, 5 days. It's been, I say being mayor of New York.
Okay, so overall, that he thought that it's sometimes the best to buy the dip. Next piece of news is Bitcoin and Ether heading for 100,000 and 5,000 in 2022. Bloomberg intelligence, according to Bloomberg. So I think if Bitcoin will go to 100,000 in 2022, then Ethereum at least will go to 10,000. So I don't agree with this argument, but let's quote from them. A key issue we see in the Federal Reserve as it faces the greatest inflation in 4 decades, more inclined to raise interest rates if risk assets continue climbing, according to McGlone. Okay, so if you would invest $100 in Bitcoin in 2011, here is how much you have now. That investment would be worth, listen guys, listen, 4.3 million US dollar today. It's probably isn't too late to hop aboard the bandwagon. So guys, and nowadays we have other options because Bitcoin will not grant these rewards, I think, but we have some metaverses, NFTs, gaming, DeFi projects, some really new innovative technologies like layer ones that can give these rewards and not just meme coins. Next piece of news is DeFi CEO Nigel Green buys the Bitcoin dip, teases new crypto projects. I'm using the lower prices of Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies to top up my portfolio. Why? Because like many major corporations, financial institutions, governments, prestigious universities, and household name investing legends, I'm confident that the digital currencies are the inevitable future of money. So I can agree 100%. Next piece of news is Nasdaq listed company offers dividends in Bitcoin. Shares skyrockets. Okay, BTCS. I think it's maybe a mining company. They will pay dividend in Bitcoin and the shares skyrocketed. We want to reward our long-time shareholders for their continued support and encourage financial freedom by providing the means to enable direct ownership of Bitcoin and other digital assets. So that's huge, guys. Okay, maybe I will not go deep on all the news because my voice is getting weaker. PayPal reportedly confirms plans to explore to launch stablecoin. That will be huge because they will compete with Visa, MasterCard, and also with the traditional banking system, as they did in the past. Really successful. GameStop shares surge 20% after NFT marketplace launch, crypto partnerships news. So GameStop will launch an NFT marketplace. That's huge. Okay, another news, game giant Konami joins NFT race to launch with Constellania video game franchise. That's huge. Next piece of news is Samsung will utilize Cardano blockchain to manage the planting of over 2 million trees in Madagascar. This is a really great thing that they are supporting the environment with 2 million trees and also in Cardano. So at least we see some use cases from Cardano, but also we have another Cardano related news. ADA, the sweetest decentralized exchange on Cardano, now security audited. So SundaySwap, which calls itself the sweetest decentralized exchange on Cardano, has made an important security-related announcement. So they passed the security audit. That's huge. So hope that we will see some life on Cardano. So this is huge, and also then we can go and test the SundaySwap. Next piece of news, India, no crypto bill yet, but here are some other updates to watch in 2022. Family members beloved. Crypto India's red-headed step little one. Why cannot you be far more like a CBDC? So I think they will push this entire crypto regulation and they are preparing their CBDCs. So they don't, but they will allow people investing in crypto, but they will push their CBDC initiative. Next piece of news is huge. Samsung opens virtual store in Decentralized Metaverse. Okay, dubbed Samsung The virtual store is modeled on the company's flagship physical store located in Washington Street, New York City, and that will be in the Metaverse on Decentralized. Abu Dhabi wants to be the world's biggest BTC haven. The capital, Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, has stated that it's looking to become one of the biggest crypto hubs in the world. The region is looking to reduce its reliance on standard gas and oil while boosting its investment in the crypto assets. So that's huge. I was in Abu Dhabi, I was in Dubai on crypto conferences. I'm really happy to see that they are getting in crypto, they are getting more crypto friendly, and they will attract lots of crypto companies because there are zero taxes and also good living conditions. So definitely check this out if you have a crypto company. So next, let's look into the charts. As you see, Bitcoin is still in the downtrend, but these 41,000 acted as support. So this is a really strong support because Bitcoin topped here at 41,000 last year, and that is why it's a huge support level. If this will fail, then we can drop back to 36, 35,000 and even to 30,000. But I expect that whales and big institutions will coming in and buying this up. So not sure, but now we are far away from the trend line. Maybe we will see a nice bust to 44,000, but still until this trend line is not broken, Bitcoin is in bear mode. But good to see at 42,000. Bitcoin short started to increase, so maybe we will see another dump in the coming days and weeks or days. So almost we see nice movement. Maybe just look into Ethereum. Ethereum also that was these price levels at 3,000 US dollars that stopped Ethereum to falling further. But also we have another trend line, so definitely Ethereum should hold these 2,800, 2,600 levels to not break these previous horizontal trend lines. Okay, guys, so this is for today. Also, join our Telegram channel and follow us on Twitter and on Facebook, and join our Telegram to keep you updated. And also, let's come and just let's come here and check out Corion farms on the Binance Parachain if you hold BSC version of tokens. APRs are down, but we will make some adjustments to bring APRs back to 300% APR. And also, if you are holding the ERC20 version of CorionX, then go to our farm on Ethereum, and you can earn 330% APRs. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification on, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, join our Telegram. See you tomorrow. Play safe and don't panic sell. We are here for a long term. This is the most profitable industry and the fastest growing industry we have ever seen. Happy to have you here. Bye bye.